morning, guys. Happy Thursday, I think it's Thursday. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Thursday. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Maddie. I make a lot of college content, a lot of vlogs, productive content, all that good stuff. So if you guys like watching those types of videos, make sure you go subscribe down below. Huge shout out and thank you to Opinion Outpost for sponsoring today's video. So I'm gonna tell you guys all about Opinion Outpost in a minute. I kind of want to like get dressed and get ready first because I am looking a little rough right now. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to be a YouTuber. I've done one of these videos before, but I kind of combined it with like what it's like to be a YouTuber and a college student, but we don't really have any college stuff to get done today, so it's just gonna be YouTube work. It's 10 o'clock right now. I got up, I cleaned my room while I was importing the footage from all my SD cards. A few days ago, I made the awful mistake of trying to make some space on my SD card and I accidentally deleted footage that I needed. So I'm gonna try to like not do that ever again because I was so upset about it. So yeah, I cleaned my room. It looks really nice. I'll show you guys. See, there's like nothing on the floor. My bed is made. It's all very clean. Okay, first things first, gotta make a to-do list. Here's my to-do list for the day. So today's Thursday. I don't really have anything specific going on today, but I need to respond to emails and comments, the usual. Film this vlog, obviously, post on Instagram, post on my Instagram stories. I do need to go to Target, so that'll be a fun little adventure. I think I'm gonna do a live stream today. I need to edit Monday's vlog and maybe this vlog too, and maybe go to the gym. I'm also playing around with Instagram reels. I've never made a reel before, so it's a little scary. So yeah, we'll see how that ends up turning out, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna film like a little aesthetic day in my life. So this is gonna be the real version, like the REEL version of this video. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna get ready really quick, just throw on some makeup, put on a cute outfit, and we're gonna get our day started. Okay, here's the daily makeup I use. It's all drugstore products, CoverGirl, Maybelline. So yeah, we love that. Okay, here is the outfit for today, but I thought this would be cute because it's really springy today and it's still like a little cool outside and it's windy, so it's not like super warm, but it's definitely springy outside. So I wanted my hair up out of my face. I don't know why, I just kind of felt like it, so I just threw it up in a messy bun, and I'm wearing this like oversized cream colored sweater from H&M. I also haven't put on jewelry yet, I need to do that, and my mom jeans from Hollister, of course, favorite jeans ever. So yeah, this is the outfit for today. My bun is so messy, but like I kind of love it. I think it's cute. Like I mentioned earlier, this vlog is sponsored by Opinion Outpost, so I'm going to tell you guys all about them right now. Opinion Outpost provides their users with cash and rewards just for filling out surveys. You can get gift cards to places like Amazon, Target, Macy's, PayPal, and those are just a few examples. They have gift cards to so many different places that you can get in return for doing surveys, and these surveys can be taken anywhere, so it's really just on your own time. So each survey has a different time length and a different point amount, so the points equals the rewards. You can save up your points to get a bigger reward or cash out on your reward sooner because there is a low minimum for the redemption, which is super nice. You don't have to wait until you get some huge amount to be able to redeem your points. Their dashboard is super easy to navigate, so I'm going to show you that in a minute, but it is absolutely free to sign up. There's no purchase necessary, which is so cool that you can get rewards and gift cards for free just for doing surveys and sharing your opinion. This is what their dashboard looks like, and these are the different surveys you can take. So as you can see, this one is 30 minutes long and it's worth 25 points, and just to compare, this one is 7 minutes long and it's worth 3 points. So you can build up your achievements by completing more surveys, and here are all of the rewards available right now. All of Opinion Outpost's links will be in the description box down below, so definitely go check them out down there. Like I said, it's completely free to sign up, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. You only have free gift cards to gain, seriously. So yeah, huge shout out and thank you again to Opinion Outpost for sponsoring this video. I was so excited to be able to share their platform with you guys, so I really hope you go and check them out. So I have spent the past like half an hour, 45 minutes responding to comments and responding to emails. Just a lot of computer work, a lot of chatting and scheduling meetings and all that fun stuff. That's all done for now. So I'm gonna grab something small to eat and then head to Target, get all my shopping done. But you guys, I have been craving a smoothie bowl from this place downtown and I really want to get one. But it has sounded so good this week and I just haven't had a chance to go over there and get one. So today might be the day. And, you know, good vlog content, good real content for my Instagram, you know, story content. Just all the content will be good. So it's the life of a YouTuber. You gotta think about the content while also treating yourself. Okay, here's the outfit with the Air Force Ones. Super cute. I love how just like chill and relaxed this outfit is with like the mom jeans and the oversized sweater. Just super cute, totally my vibe. Okay, I am not gonna lie, I kind of love Instagram Reels. You can just create a bunch of drafts and easily edit them like as you go along, and I feel like you can't really do that with TikTok. I feel like it's easier to mess things up with TikTok. This is the first reel I've tried to make and I haven't added music yet, but it's just gonna be like an aesthetic day in my life, and that's all I got so far. I also love that you can add like actual filters, and the ones on TikTok are just not as cute. I don't know, guys. Instagram Reel is maybe a little bit better for like the aesthetic stuff. I don't know. TikTok is always gonna have a special place in my heart because I'm actually obsessed with watching TikToks. I watch way too many of them. Literally like at least an hour of TikToks a day, which is really sad considering a lot of them are less than a minute long. So I'm watching so many TikToks a day. But for the aesthetic purposes, I feel like Instagram Reel is just like, it has a beat a little bit. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm just like old and can't figure out how to use TikTok, which would just be sad considering I'm only 20. Well, I guess I am turning 21 this year. Ooh. But considering I'm only 20, like I shouldn't be this out of the loop, but I guess I am. It's kind of sad. Okay, the gas has been gotten. It's insanely windy, and when I took the gas pump out of my car, the gas got on me. So now I smell like gas, so that's great. Oh, it smells so bad. It's literally on my jeans. I hate myself. Okay, bye. So we're not at Target. We're in a shopping plaza with a lot of different stores. So we're celebrating my dad's birthday this weekend, so I want to get some decorations and stuff to bring home and decorate with. So I'm gonna go find some stuff at Party City. I don't know why I just completely forgot to film in the dollar store, but I got pretty much everything I needed for my dad's birthday, so that worked out. That was a successful trip. Like I said, don't know why I forgot to film. I was all over the place, but I think I'm still gonna run into Party City really quick just because it's literally down there. I promise I won't forget to film in there. It's gonna be on my phone because I'm too embarrassed to bring in my camera. I'm going out of my mind, trying to put another successful trip. We're getting lucky today. Got all the stuff from Party City, so we are set for this weekend. Now I'm gonna go to Target and grab all the stuff I need from Target. You can't tell, but we're at Target right now. On to the next adventure. It's 2:08 right now, so let's see how long I actually spend in there. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone. Should have moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. Okay, we are out of Target in 49 minutes. Actually, I think we got here after 2, so like 40 minutes. I don't think I vlogged that much in Target, but I was also trying to film a reel at the same time. So there's just a lot going on, and I'll give you guys my mini haul once I get home, but I really didn't buy that much. So I figured out that you can film clips of the reel on your Instagram story with the same filter and then save it to your camera roll and then add it to your reel draft afterwards. So I feel like that's the best way to do it. But we're making this reel, we're, you know, doing our thing, and it's a great time so far, honestly. Now I am gonna figure out how to get to the smoothie bowl place because I still want a smoothie bowl. So that's gonna be our next adventure, and then we're gonna go home. What an adventurous vlog. I feel like I don't do anything in my vlogs, so this is really exciting for me. Guys, I'm proud of myself. I made it. I had absolutely no idea where I was the entire time, but I made it here.
I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time when it's too far gone?
Okay, here it is. My hands are literally so sticky and it was way too windy to stay outside, but it's beautiful. I can't even remember everything that's on it. I know it's acai, peanut butter, coconut, pineapple, Greek yogurt, and raspberries. I think that's it. Oh, and hemp seeds. But it is amazing. It is so good, you guys. Okay, so I'm back home with my smoothie bowl and I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm so excited to eat this. Like, you guys have absolutely no idea. While I eat my smoothie bowl, I am gonna make some money and fill out some surveys on Opinion Outpost. So these are the surveys I have available to me right now. I think I'll do the 25-minute survey so I can get 15 points, and it's just gonna find me a survey based on some stuff about myself, and I'm just gonna fill it out, and it's literally that easy.
Even know if it's love now, with all this distance, all this time. Keep wondering if you're doing fine, trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I know I'm in love with the memory, gotta move on, find somebody.
So I just completed this survey and I earned 15 points. And now you can see how many points I have up on my dashboard. Just take surveys and earn some money while I was literally just eating my acai bowl. Guys, my bun is just a giant floof now. But anyways, I promised you guys a Target haul, so I'll give you guys a Target haul. But some of the stuff is boring and I really didn't get that much, but I'll show you guys anyways. I got new pens because I literally have one pen with ink left. I got this shirt and I'm so excited about it. I wear shirts like this all the time with like a pair of mom jeans, just so cute. I love it, and it was only $10 and I just love the lace detail. I got clog clearing gel. My bathroom sink is clogged. I think like the sink just fills up with water every time I turn the water on. It takes forever to drain, so I'm assuming it's just clogged. So I got this to use, obviously, and I don't know how to use it. And then, oh, I forgot about this. Don't you just love when you go shopping and you find things, but then you forget about it, and then when you see it again, you just get really excited? That's just what happens. So I got this Tazo Classic Chai Latte Mix, and it was on clearance for $1.99, and it's normally like $3 something. But I always see people use this on TikTok, but it was on sale, so I figured I would try it, of course. See, I'm really excited about it. I feel like there was more, but I guess that's it. Oh, I also got dirt. I think I'm gonna need to replant my plants pretty soon because it's starting to get springy outside. It is 5 o'clock now. I feel like I've been going literally all day because I have been going literally all day. My hair looks disgusting. I'm sorry. I need to redo it. But anyways, I was working on my reel and I put together all the clips that I have so far, and I really like it. I think it's so cute. I am definitely 100% going to be doing more reels. I haven't uploaded it yet. I obviously still need to finish filming for the rest of the day for that, but it is so fun. Like, it's so fun, you guys. And I feel like I like it more than TikTok. I kind of mentioned this earlier, but it's more user-friendly. I feel like it kind of is because it's just on your profile. I don't know. I haven't really explored TikTok very much because when I made my last TikTok, it was really frustrating because I didn't know how to use it. But I definitely know that trying to film a vlog and a reel at the same time, like on the same day, is like too much for me. So I'll have to make sure that I film my reels like completely separate, not on like a vlogging day or whatever. That way you guys will get more content and like different content too. I changed into some comfy clothes because I am gonna start my homework. And if I'm gonna make myself do homework, I might as well just be comfy while doing it. So my hoodie is just a GV hoodie from the Lakers store, and then These are the comfiest sweats ever from Pretty Little Thing. And my slippers are, you guessed it, the Amazon ones. So yeah, this is the look for tonight in all of its glory. I'm gonna start some homework. I'm not gonna do a ton because I still have a few days until everything is due, but I don't know, I just kind of want to get a head start on it so I don't have to worry about it later. I think I'm gonna start with this assignment. I haven't looked at it yet, so I don't know what it is, but it's due on Saturday. So this is an assignment for my speech class, and I don't think it'll be hard at all. The assignments in this class are pretty easy usually. Let's see. Using public speaking in your career. So yeah, this is the assignment. Super short, super easy. So we're gonna knock this out right now.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16. Wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best.
Okay guys, it's been forever. I've been contemplating the caption and the picture and all this stuff, and I finally posted it. So here it is, and the caption is La Ti Da, but it's spelled like T-E-A. There we go. It's a little tea pun because in the picture I have tea next to me. So so yeah, that's it. That's the picture. Okay, there we go. Instagram work is done for today. I'm proud of myself. That was a lot. Stories, reel, and an Instagram post. Like, we're doing the most today. And now it's time to get back to my homework. It's 7:41. I'm probably gonna end the vlog soon just because nothing else is going on tonight. I'm just gonna be editing and I'm leaving tomorrow, so I kind of need to pack. Nothing really going on, so
somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you, 'cause you always have answers to problems that I could never solve. Never met green eyes, I love to get.
Okay, so I just finished the speech assignment. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, don't forget to check out Opinion Outpost. All of their links will be in the description box down below. Huge shout out and thank you to Opinion Outpost again for sponsoring today's video. And as per usual, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social media. Links are always down below. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!
Now all the time that we have left doesn't seem like it's enough. Better late than never.